To make Algerian Borek, first wash your hands. Then peel the foil off 4 cheese triangles and tear them up into pieces. Now tear up 8 black olives. Then put peeled, cooked and cooled potatoes into a plastic food bag and mash them with your hands. Top and tail 2 spring onions and carefully cut them with scissors. Add the spring onions to cooked and cooled beef mince. Add some black pepper and mix together. Make sure you keep your cooked mince in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Add a twist or a pinch of cinnamon to your mince mixture. Now take a small handful of fresh coriander and carefully cut it up with scissors like this. Add the coriander to the mince. Now crack an egg, check there's no shell, whisk it with a fork and add it to your mince mixture. And give it another mix. Don't forget to wipe your hands after handling raw eggs. Next, take a sheet of spring roll or Filo pastry. Add a spoonful of the mashed potato into the middle of the pastry and make it into a nest. Then add a spoonful of the mince mixture into the potato nest. Add some cheese and a piece of olive on top. Use olive oil and a pastry brush to oil the top and bottom of the pastry sheet. Add more black pepper, then fold the top and bottom of the pastry sheet over the filling. Now brush oil on the sides of the pastry before carefully folding them over to make a parcel. Brush more oil on top. Now make another 3 borek in the same way. And then ask a grown-up to put them in the oven for you. When the boreks are cooked and crispy, they go very well with lettuce, coriander and lemon slices. This is a My World Kitchen Amber recipe to be eaten occasionally.